There's a fish on, baby. Yeah. Hey now, rod benders! It's a very cold day. It's just below freezing. I don't normally like to fish when I have to fight ice, but the wind is low and I haven't been out for like a week and I got antsy. So I'm down here by the riverside trying to catch them. We're going to do what we always do. Some Kitech, some jig heads. Let them hit the bottom, see if fish bite them. Please like the channel. Subscribe to the video. I think I got that backwards, but you know what I'm trying to say. And without further ado, let's see if we can catch some fish. It's a friggin' cold one, rod benders. Oof, we are flirting that freezing line. We might end up with some ice on our rod tips here, we'll see. But the wind ain't blowing too hard, so figured we'd get on out here and see if we can get into something. Don't know unless you try. Can't catch them on the couch, etc., etc. My reel's kind of slow from being in the back of the truck on the way over here. That grease locked up in there. See if we can warm it up a little bit. Whew. And the only saving grace is that the wind is not really blowing at all. So that's not too bad. We're layered up. You gotta do what you gotta do to get some bend. Icing up, baby. It's cold. I don't appreciate it. There's a fish on, baby. Yeah. Sweet. Old Saugeye dude. Mr. Toothtown. Sorry about the sand, buddy. Sweet. Oh, that makes it all worth it right there. Yes, it does. Let's wash this dude off and get a look at him. Might be the only fish we catch today. Yeah. There we go. Hey. Alright. Feels good, man. It's a good looking fish. We're happy to catch them below freezing temperatures. Not rare, or not very common for the old rod bender. Sweet. That makes it well worth it. Let's warm our hands back up and get back out there and see if we can catch another one. It's cold! Oh yeah, froze up. There we go. Just dip it in the water there. Get that ice off those guides. We're lucky we caught that one the way we catch them all. Just down, let it sink to the bottom. And bringing it back real slow. That's a 3.5 inch Kitech I got on a 1/8 of an ounce jig head. Here, we'll go ahead and take a look at it. There we go. It's getting me down to the bottom in this little bit of current in a reasonable amount of time. I could probably get down there with less weight, but it's cold. I gotta keep moving. Need things to happen fast here. He hit it pretty good. Definitely felt the strike. He hit on the fall, baby. That's what we like. Oh my goodness, it's a smallmouth. Sweet. Get in here. Hey, 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 hey. Looky there. Below freezing smallmouth. He popped it on the way down. I wasn't even ready for it and he nailed it. Cool. Thanks, buddy. You make it all worthwhile. Frozen fingers, frozen toes. There he goes. All right, America, there you have it. We got a couple today. One Saugeye, one smallmouth. I will take whatever I can get in these conditions. Glad to get some bend in the rod, frozen fingers, frozen toes, ice on my rod guides, but we made it happen. I broke off again and my fingers are too cold to tie on another jig, so we're going to call it a day. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you've done so already. Thank you very much, and until next time, go get some bend in your rod.